I woke up late, guys, and I have a wedding to go to. So, ito na naman tayo, okay? Kailangan natin bilisan na naman. I woke up at 11 a.m. So tired from the past few days of work. Pero rachada tayo, okay? And I am super excited, guys. We got a package from Teviant. And we have this one, guys, yung ating Star Balm. The Glow Luxe Body Balm. I have 3 shades. We're gonna use that on my formal event today. Sumilip na yung asawa ko kung anong ginagawa ko. Buti pa sila mabilis. Tapos ang susot lang nila tuxedo and barong. Either or. Tayo kailangan na iba. If you've seen this, guys, in the video, that's what I've been wearing. Nakahanda na siya ilang weeks na, guys. So I'm gonna go in with a tinted sunscreen. Let it sink in. Bakit ganun, no? Kung makatingin yung mga asawa natin, parang nagtataka sila kung bakit ang tagal natin mag-get ready. I mean, wala naman silang makeup, wala naman, yung asawa ko walang hair. So, di ba? It's so much harder to get ready pag babae ka. Pues, bilisan natin. Para mas mabilis, going to spray my sponge with the D'Alba or D'Alba. Huwag tayo mag-away. Basta it works, okay? And then we're gonna go in, of course, with yung ating Haru Haru Wonder right here. Yeah. Sometimes I don't even know what they're called. Foundation. So we're gonna go in with the Dior foundation. I'm gonna put it on my hand. Yung ating milk toner para mas moisturized yung finish and natural yung foundation natin, okay? Pinaka-ayoko yung nangangarag. Pero lagi na lang ako nangangarag, guys. This life, my gosh. This life. Being a mom, being an influencer, an online seller, a wife, all of the above, guys, kaya natin to. Laban, mga momshi. I actually only learned how to I only learned how to do my makeup from online also. Nanonood lang ako ng mga videos, you know, yung mga influencers, yung mga vloggers, and then that's basically how I learned. Tapos practice ka lang. Talagang sa una, hindi talaga maganda. Hindi talaga maganda sa una, friend. Okay? Pero as you go along, you learn to be more flawless and more good at it. Just keep swimming, just keep swimming. Dapat ang title natin, guys, is Get Ngarag with Me. Kasi lagi na lang tayo nasa stress, nangangarag. Pero maganda pa rin. Just like our Teviant, guys. Of course, Miss Heart, diba? Siya rin gumagamit nitong Teviant, guys. So, I'm so excited to use that when I'm wearing the gown. Okay, let's go in. May mga nagtatanong kung long-lasting yung Dior. Long-lasting naman siya, yeah. Medyo may shimmer yung akin. And guys, huwag kayo masyadong hot. Alam ko na rosewood yung shade na gamit ni Miss Heart. Ang gusto ko kasi yung candy. Medyo may shimmer, okay? So, huwag po tayo masyadong hot, okay? Pinapatungan ko siya, guys, ng ating YSL blush just to lock it in. Especially kasi it's a powder. And then, you put it on top of a cream. So, it actually will last longer, okay? Very Pino yung mga lines niya. So, it actually looks like hair. Pero bawal magsalita, guys. Concentration pagkilay. Okay, we're gonna brush it out a little bit para mag-blend. Ang problema ko, guys, yung clutch ko for the wedding nasira. Let's go for Vice Cosmetics. Oh my gosh, where's my unclutched brush? Naglalaro kasi yung anak ko dito, borrow. Ayun, borrow makeup daw siya. Borrow makeup. So, ayun. Nag-mix and match na yung aking makeup set. Super nice. And super easy to blend as well. This brush works wonders, guys. Pink or peach or whatever color this is. And of course, a shiny, shimmery, splendid. Ito, parang mamahalin palette. Okay, I'm gonna... Baka mamaya nasa sasakyan na naman yung asawa ko. Tapos yung... Pip, gaganon pa. Ay, nako. Sabi ko, minsan, sabi ko, maganda may makeup ko. Sabi niya, hindi ko naman nakikita yung pagkakaiba. Sabi. Well, let's just take it as a compliment na lang. Bagong gising ako. I think that's okay. I think. Melt it in, guys. D'Alba or D'Alba. Huwag tayo mag-away, okay? Blower muna natin. Let's go in with pearls because tita-titahan tayo, guys. I am a ninang. Yeah, ninang tayo today. Secret lang natin. Nakakarami lang actually ako. Oh, napala, hindi ako marunong gumamit nito. Ooh. That is actually the first time that I did this correctly, guys. gonna twist it to the other side. Okay, wow. That is the first time, guys, that I did this properly. Pero kita niyo bumabagsak na yung kabilang side. Huwag kayong mag-alala. Babagsak talaga yan kasi pasaway yung buhok ko. Now, let's go to the tibiont. Mamaya, iba-brush out natin yan siya. Diyan mo na siya. Here it is. Let's try. Okay. There are 3 shades in here. What I like about this, guys, it comes in the super compact. Alam ko they have a big one, but this one is a smaller version. So this one is in the shade Prosecco. Okay. Wow, look at that. Okay, it comes with a little puff right here. Wow. Oh, it's soft. Okay, so let's see. Let's do some swatches before we decide kung ano bang gagamitin natin for today sa gown natin. Okay? I wonder how much I put though. Ooh, look at that. Okay, can you see that shimmer? Wow. That one is a Prosecco, okay? Next, we are going to go in with, this one is Cosmo. Okay. So again, it has a little ooh. Again, it has a little puff right there. This one is ating Cosmo. We're gonna go in with the Cosmo. Again, how much? We don't know, but we're gonna put some on. Okay, this one right here is yung ating Cosmo. Ooh, so that's like a little more subtle champagne shade right there. Okay, more be. It smells so good. Parang hindi mo na kailangan magpabango. Wow, pero very light lang siya. Again, amoy mayaman. Then we have our last one. This one is Bellini. Okay. Oh, looky. Lucky. So this one is more of a parang pink glitter. Okay, let's get some of that. I really like that it comes in a small na lalagyan. Okay. Okay. Ayun lang. Ang dami kong shimmer on my arm right now. Oh, it actually guys, it looks better when you spread it. Oh my gosh. Hindi nyo makita kasi nga it's so maliwanag. But look at my hand. Hindi rin kita. Because there's no turning back. There's no turning. So here we are in our Lauren Berberabe gown. And we're gonna go in with the tibiont in Bellini, okay? We're gonna go spread it here. Give you that extra shine. Smells so good. Do this in some natural light. Time to go.